With all the kerfuffle around Games Workshop's new Adeptus Custodes models for Warhammer 40k, I've noticed people clamoring for some alternatives to the official models. I don't think we need to get into the controversy again, but if you missed it, I have a short video on it from last week that you can check out to get the gist of the situation. So if you're all caught up, today I thought we could take a look at some third-party alternative designs that could be used as proxies for the official models. Whether you're starting a new Custodes army, or just looking to expand your current one with some cool new miniatures, I think I have some options that you will appreciate. Now, a couple quick things to preface before we get into this. Number one, these are all 3D printed models. In my search for alternatives, I didn't really find any plastic models, so we are kind of, well, I don't want to say stuck, but stuck with the 3D printed models that I found. If I missed any non-3D printed alternatives, though, let me and everyone else know where to look down in the comments. Also, if you don't have a 3D printer, that doesn't mean you can't partake in our journey. At the very least, you can check out these cool miniatures with us, but also, most 3D model creators have printers who sell their physical models, so you may still be able to get them with just some basic Google foo. Number two, these models will not be one-to-one copies of the official models. If you want that, you should probably go buy the original models, or go search the internet a little bit harder. We are here to see cool alternatives, and that's what we're going to check out. I have picked a number of creators who make legally distinct, similar but different, models that could be used as proxies for Custodes. All of these files can be purchased on popular 3D model sites directly from the creator. Hopefully that works for you. So let's get going. The first models I would like to look at are from Puppets War Miniatures. They seem to specialize in what I would call chonky boys. Almost all of their models look beefier than the official minis, and since most of the models they create are either Orc or Space Marine adjacent, I think that the added thickness really accentuates the larger-than-life sizes those factions are known for. For Custodes specifically, I would recommend taking a look at their Guardians. These seem to be the ones that would work the best in this situation. From there, you can decide which theme you would like to go with, since Puppets War typically creates the Space Marine-like factions in 3 different flavors: the standard tactical version, the more medieval sci-fi knight, or the Asian-inspired samurai-style bushi. Next, we are looking at a creator called Biohazard Design Dudes. They have some options for a number of different wargames, but the ones that could work for our purpose are called the Custodian Brothers. The Custodian Brothers are an army from one-page rules, which has alternatives to the Games Workshop wargaming systems. And actually, these models from Biohazard are more in line with the new Custodes than they are the old, so if you're looking forward to those, these might work for you. These are specifically female Custode proxies, so if that's something that interests you, go check them out. The following two I'm going to put together because they seem to be smaller creators who are using the same name and models for their proxies. They are called 8 Legs Miniatures and Starhammer. I'm going to assume they are the same designer somehow, probably a situation where one of the accounts is a collaboration of artists working together, and the other account is one of the artist's personal accounts, I guess? Or maybe one is just completely ripping the other off, but that's probably not it. These are the two models that make me pretty positive that they're the same model designer. Same model, same pose, almost the exact same picture, just with different render settings. Anyway, I'm not sure one way or the other, and it really doesn't matter for my purposes. I just know that both creators have a range of models called the Imperatorius Vindex, which are very regal Custode-like proxies. They look a little bit blockier, like the old modular Space Marines, so they would probably be good to use for some kit bashing. From there, let's take a look at another hammer, Table Hammer. I've backed a couple of their Kickstarters previously, so that's how I know about them. They also have these really cool actual painted miniature previews, which it's not for all of their models, but the ones that they do have painted are pretty exceptional in my book. I just really like those painted previews. Anyway, back to the task at hand. Custode proxies. Table Hammer has the Ordo Invictrix, which are like Roman themed. There aren't a whole lot of options, but then again, there aren't many options to begin with when it comes to Custodes, so you can probably just make do. And now let's check out Surrogate Miniatures. Almost all of their models are modular, so they are another creator you might check out for kit bashing parts. They also have a number of proxy factions, but for Custodes, I would probably look at their Praetorian Guards. They are back to that kind of blocky old school style, but they have some pretty intricate decorations over much of their armor, which adds some nice flavor. Certainly one I'd recommend taking a closer look at. Next on the list is Titanforge, and they are one of my favorite creators in general. They have a ton of options for both fantasy and sci-fi wargaming. Their sci-fi section is technically called Cyberforge, so that's where we're going to be looking for 40k proxies. And the easiest way to find our faux Custodes are in the bundles section, specifically Clash, Hell's Kitchen, and Descent, from February through April of 2025. These 3 packs have a ton of infantry options and are in what I would call a much more realistic scale, which I tend to enjoy. One minor note, when I was editing I saw something, but they have a bundle specifically called the Vetus Imperium bundle, and it actually looks like it includes all of these models for a bit cheaper of a price, and it's because those other monthly bundles come with like some extra sci-fi models. So this would just be for our Custodes proxies. Station Forge is another one of my favorite Grimdark proxy creators. I think they are most well known for their Grimguard, but we're going to be checking out the Socrates. Now this one isn't going to be as straightforward as the other options, but if I remember correctly, a lot of Station Forge's models are modular, at least in some part. So my thought is that you could start with the bodies from like the Socrates Militant, Elite, or maybe even the Guardmen, and then mix and match some weapons and some fancier heads, and I think you could make some pretty cool models. This one is probably only for someone who wants to kit bash more than the rest of the other options, though. And the final option I have for you today is the Maker's Cult. This is another great creator for Grimdark proxies that I have followed for a long time. They pump out tons of thematic miniatures each month for a number of long-running factions. The one that brought me in are their Feudal Guard, which are like their medieval knight Imperial Guard models. They also have a bunch of painted preview models, which I like to look at for ideas. Now, sticking with our goal of finding Custode proxies, they have a number of bulkier knight-type models that would probably work. But I think the closest, most direct proxy would be the Obsidian Guard. They are fancy, bulky, and have weapon options that seem to meet the requirements of the Custodes. Although if you look through the Maker's Cult's other options, you might find something you like better, or could mix and match to make your perfect alternative Custode. And that's what I've got for you today, a bunch of alternative proxy models to make your own unique Adeptus Custodes army. Which ones were your favorite? Did I miss any that you think are better alternatives? Or are you just going to stick with the official models? Let me know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.